Welcome to SATS Semiconductor Analysis and Testing Solutions. The SATS Advanced Micro Probe Station offers cutting-edge instrumentation for material science and semiconductor research. Featuring a vacuum-compatible chamber with a quartz optical window and a temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius without the need for liquid nitrogen. Paired with one sunlight sources and wavelength-based LEDs, it enables precise optoelectrical characterization. By integrating this advanced probe station with machine learning ML-driven electrochemical impedance spectroscopy ACE analysis, the system can automate the study of material properties such as ion migration and charge transport. The ML algorithms streamline AIS data acquisition, reducing experimental time and human error, while enhancing circuit fitting and activation energy predictions. Together, these technologies provide an efficient, accurate, and scalable approach for in-depth research on solar cells, thin films, diodes, and other advanced materials. Thank you.